In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Wise account using a credit card. Whether you're familiarizing yourself with Wise for the first time or just need a quick refresher, these instructions will guide you through the process with ease and clarity. First, let's begin by opening the Wise app on your smartphone, or if you're at your computer, head over to the Wise website. You might be wondering, why specifically use Wise? Well, it's an incredibly efficient platform for managing your overseas transfers and transactions with competitive rates and minimal fees. Once you have the app open or the website loaded, make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, navigate to the Hamo Hashio Home tab. This is essentially your dashboard, a centralized place where you can manage all your currencies and view recent transactions. If you already have a specific currency wallet you're interested in, scroll through your list of currencies to find it. If you're planning to add funds to a currency wallet you haven't used yet, this is when you'd want to select Add Money. Now that you have selected the currency or pressed Add Money, it's time to think about how much cash you'd like to deposit. In the designated field, carefully enter the amount. Take a moment to double check this figure, as ensuring that this amount is correct is important for maintaining accuracy in your wallet management. With the amount set, it's time to choose your repayment method. Select credit card from the available options. Wise offers flexibility in funding methods, but using a credit card is often the most direct way when you're looking to quickly add funds. Keep in mind that credit card issuers might have their own charges for these transactions, so it's always a good idea to verify this with them beforehand to avoid surprises. The final step is to follow the on-screen instructions to enter your credit card details. Typically, this will require you to fill out information like your card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. Be cautious during this step. Ensuring your details are entered accurately will prevent any delays in processing. Once everything looks good, confirm the payment. Upon completion, you should see a confirmation notification indicating that your transfer was successful. This means your funds are now safely added to your Wise account. Keep an eye on your email as well, as you'll likely receive a receipt for your records. This not only serves as confirmation, but also helps in tracking your transactions. Adding money to your Wise account with a credit card is a straightforward process designed to provide flexibility and convenience. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your currencies and stay on top of your financial transactions.